start with assembly of the flow hood. This particular unit is a demo unit from Testo, and it came with five rods. The rod assembly is not necessarily difficult, but it can be kind of interesting. You got to find the hole where it goes. And I usually start with putting all four rods in place to start, and then I'll move on to raising the frame. So we get the four rods lifted up. And this part is a little weird because it keeps wanting to fall down, but basically you get it up, you put the rod under the corner, and you've got your hood lined up. And then there's some nylon or Velcro straps to hold it in. Gotta take those loose. And then you can lift it out. It's extremely light, very easy to carry, even with one hand. And on this side, we've got the 420 manometer. Really is a nice manometer. So we've got it 8 to 10 a.m. 12/19/2017. I'm going to start with the return and get a measurement there. We've got the 420 device here on the wireless app, and we're going to record this information while we make the measurement, just for ease of display use there. But I'm going to go ahead and make the measurement. Showing a measurement of 695 CFM. 699. So we get about 700, just under 700 CFM total, which is a little bit concerning because we've got a 2-ton system and it's only moving 700 CFM. I'm going to move over and take some airflow measurements at some other registers. This register is showing about 120 CFM. Bathroom register is definitely the shortest. this one is right about 100. We'll move on to this bedroom over here. See if I can find a light. This one's showing about 170. This register is showing about 150, maybe 160. And then we've got the ducts that are in the room where we assembled the flow hood. This register is at about 110. This one is also about 110, maybe a little more. So, overall airflow measurement was about 700, and then we had 100 at 7 different registers. I have not done a static pressure test yet, and it looks like maybe I lost my app connectivity, so we'll see what that turns into. We'll just have to deal with it as it is. Next in line is going to be the duct pressure test. Duct pressure test. We've got airflow in and out about what we're looking for, and now we're looking for pressure test before we proceed.